Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my Robinhood investing series. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy investing on the internet. I decided to purchase this pharmaceutical company, Eli Lilly. So as you can see, beginning of the day, it started at 154, ending the day at 164. And I was able to purchase this stock at 160 and currently have a positive return of $11. So looking at it from a week point of view, you'll see that it hopped majorly from June 15th to June 16th, which is today. I might have bought it at the high end, even going back looking at a month's view. Beginning of a month, it was at 158. And going back even a 5-year view, you can see that it's just been steadily increasing. I do believe that it's a really good pharmaceutical company based off of what I was able to find before purchasing the stock today. There's a pretty old company founded in 1876. And why is it currently going up? So you'll see articles indicating that Eli Lilly is currently in clinical trials for a potential COVID treatment, which is going to be really awesome if they're able to get it the whole way through. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the whole article here, but there's multiple pharmaceutical companies working on a COVID treatment, and Eli Lilly is one of them. So what is putting this stock ahead of the other pharmaceutical companies? There's also been news as of recently, like why is Eli Lilly soaring today? It was up 15% due to the fact that they had positive results from a clinical trial for, I'm not too sure what this medicine is, cancer treatment. So that is another huge step for this pharmaceutical company, in addition to them being one of the top dividend stocks that you could purchase today, with it increasing 20% as of the start of 2020. Even if you look into their dividend activity here, you'll see that from now on, I'll receive 74 cents on a quarterly basis for each share that I own. Has a dividend growth of 6 years, and looking back to its dividend history, you'll see that they definitely have been growing their dividend payouts year over year. So this year, 74 cents. Last year was 64 cents. Prior year, 56. So really awesome stock. Now, again, like I said, I might have purchased the stock a little on the high end, but I'm really hoping for some additional news coming out about this company and hoping that it's going to break 200 here in the near future. But we'll see, because today was kind of a stagnant day for me in my portfolio. If we go back, you'll see that pre-market I had about $3,700, and then towards the end of market close I went back down to $3,600. No real big movers for today, but let me know in the comment section below, are you in the green for the day or are you in the red for the day? As always, be sure to chase that green line, and I'll see you guys later.